Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, and now we continue our lesson in English. So it is in chapter 2. In the chapter 2 we will learn about how to tell the times. Okay, here we go, the slide. Okay, you can see the clock. So it is the clock, this our clock. Now there is arrows, so it is shows 12 tepat, ini bahasa Indonesia. And how you state it in English, if it is tepat in English, you should say with a clock. And so if it is tepat, the arrows jam 1 tepat, it is o'clock, 1 o'clock, based on the number of the clock. Before you learn about this, make sure you all know about how to mention the number from 1 until 60, because in clock there are 60 number, 60 minutes and 60 seconds. So you must master about number 1 from number 1 until number 60. So the first things that you learn is about how to mention the clock. Kalau tepat, kalau jamnya tepat, jadi kalau jamnya tepat, you mention it with a clock. Kalau jamnya tepat, apapun jamnya. For example, like this one. Look at the next slide. Okay. When it is the arrows, so the red line like this one, ini adalah biasanya lewat di bahasa Indonesia. So it is pass, its name pass. Ada dua bagian. Bagian pertama itu namanya pass. Di sini pasti in Indonesia juga kita using lewat. Lewat itu artinya pass. Oke, sebelumnya kalau tepat, kita ulang lagi. Kalau tepat, ini kan tepat. We mention it with a clock. We mention it with a clock. Kalau jamnya tepat. Kalau jamnya lewat, look at this. Ini bagian jam yang lewat, this one. Ini bagian jam yang lewat, kita mention itu dengan pass. Lewat itu pass. The next. Lewat 5, lewat 10, lewat 15, we mention it with past. The next is seperempat. How you mention it with seperempat? Seperempat is mentioned with quarter. So apapun seperempatnya, seperempat it means that 15 menit, lewat 15 menit, like this one, it is mentioned with quarter. Tadi lewat itu we mention it with past. Kalau tepat, we mention it with a clock. Tepat a clock, lewat itu pas. Seperempat itu atau 15 menit, it's mentioned with quarter, seperempat. Next, ada lewat pas, 20 pas, 25 pas, 30 pas. Ini semuanya yang red line ini, yang red bold ini, it is pas, itu lewat semua jam. Next. Half, tadi ada namanya quarter, and the next is mentioned with half. Half means that, look at based on the picture, it means that setengah 6. How you mention it, we will discuss it later on. Next, so the red line we mention with pass. Red line like this one, but itu namanya lewat. With the blue lines, blue bold in here, you mention it with what? Kurang in Indonesian, but in English you mention it with 2. Kurang mention with 2. Oke, kita ulang lagi. We repeat it again. Dari tepat. Tepat tadi apa? How you mention it tepat in time, o'clock, like this one. 12 tepat, 12 o'clock. 1 tepat, 1 o'clock. Kalau lewat, how you mention it? Kita menggunakan kata past. Lewat itu past. How about seperempat? Seperempat mention with quarter. Next, setengah. Setengah mention with half. Setengah mention with half. You can say it with half. Next, yang blue ball ini kurang. How you mention kurang in English? Mention it with two. Two. Okay, remember about it. Next sections. Lewat 35, 35 pass, 35 pass, 40 pass, 45 pass. Okay. But if we are in this blue ball, we use with the word two. Next, it is still a quarter. Remember about that. 50 minutes atau seperempat using with quarter. Quarter. Remember ya. Dimanapun letaknya, if it is seperempat, it using quarter. Next. Okay, o'clock, quarter, quarter, half, pass. Quarter, the position of the quarter, we can use quarter when we meet number 3 and number 9 in the clock. When we use half, we only use half when the long arrow refers to the 6. So we use half. Kalau arrow atau panah panjangnya itu menghadap ke nomor 6, kita mengatakan itu dengan half. If the long arrow refers to the number 3 and number 9, we use quarter. Next, we go to the examples. So you must guess the times. What is the times? Remember, if it is tepat in Indonesians, we mention it with a clock. If it is lewat in Indonesia, we must mention it in English with pas. If it is kurang, we mention in English with two. If you found the big arrow or the long arrow is mean that jarum panjangnya shows to number 3 and number 9, we use quarter. It means that's seperempat. And if it is the long arrow refers to the number 6, we usually use with a half. Okay, next, look at this clock. So it's 1 o'clock. Coba kita geser 2 o'clock. Kalau jam panjangnya menuju 12 tepat, kita menggunakan o'clock. 1 o'clock. Look at this 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. Itu adalah jam 1 tepat. How if I put it in number 3? The red arrow I put in at number 3. So we mention it with it is 3 o'clock. Okay, good. If I put the red arrow into the number 10, so we mention it is 10 o'clock. Understand? If I put this one, the red arrow into the number 10, we mention it with 10 o'clock. If the blue arrow refers to number 12. Understand? If I put the red arrow into number 7 and it's still in here, so we mention it jam 7 tepat. So we mention in English with it is 7 o'clock. Next, I hope you understand with tepat. It is so easy. You must master about number 1 until number 12. The next, look at this one, past quarter. Remember, from number 1 until number 6 in here, number 12 until number 6, we using past. And we found number 3. Jarum panjangnya ke number 3 and number 9 tadi apa? We use quarter of it. Jika jarum panjang menuju ke angka 3 dan angka 9, we use quarter. So how you mention it? Jam 10 lewat seperempat. English. What is it? It is quarter past 10. It is quarter past 10. Nah, berbeda sama yang tadi kalau tepat. Mention, look at the differences of it. Kalau jam 10 tepat, we back to it is 1 o'clock. Berarti kalau tepat terkecuali tepat, kalau tepat itu jamnya dulu baru o'clock-nya. Remember, it is 1 o'clock. Angka jamnya dulu, 1-nya dulu, baru si o'clock. But it is have different with lewat ataupun kurang. Kalau lewat ataupun kurang, menitnya dulu. Menitnya berapa ini? Seperempat, menit seperempat ya. Seperempat biasanya. It is quarter past 10. So, quarter the first and the last is 10. Kalau yang tepat, we back into the tepat, jarum pendeknya dulu, baru jarum panjang. 1-nya dulu, baru jarum panjangnya clock. Understand? Kalau lewat atau kurang jamnya, itu berbeda lagi. Yang beda sendiri cuman tepat. Kalau lewat, nomor jamnya itu terakhir, in the end of the sentence. So the first, kalian mention about the minute-nya dulu, baru terakhirnya jam. Understand? It is quarter past 10. Oke, jarum panjang yang dulu jelasin, baru jarum pendek. It is quarter past 10. Menitnya dulu, menitnya quarter seperempat, and past 10 lewat 10. 10-nya ini in the end of the sentence, di akhir kata. Next, pas, masih about pas. Oke. Kalau angka 3 dan angka 9, we usually use quarter, boleh juga 15. Ini juga ada dua options. We back. It is quarter past 10, atau you can use 15 past 10. You can use, karena ini 15 menit ya. So ini 15 lewat 15. You can use change quarter, ini kita change boleh. It is 15 past 10. 15 menitnya dulu ya. It is 15 past 10. Next, berapa menitnya? How many minutes in here? If the long arrow refers to number 4, 20 minute, 20 menit. We still use about with past. Kita masih menggunakan past. How I said before. So how to mention it? Jam 7 lewat 20. Okay, we use it is first. It is, menitnya dulu, berapa menit? 20 menit. It is 20 past 7. 20 lewat 7. It is 20 past 20, menitnya dulu. It is 20 past 7. Oke, 20 menitnya dulu, jelasin baru jamnya, past 7 lewat. Get it? Next, half. How to mention half? Ini masih lewat ya, half. Jam setengah 10, 9.30. How you mention it? It is using 9.30. It is still using half. Kalau angka ke-6 kita menggunakan half. Boleh. Usually using half. It is half past 9. Ingat ya, half-nya dulu, menitnya dulu. It is half. Ini half ya. It is half past 9. Nanya terakhir. Pokoknya kalau lewat dan kurang, jam jarum pendeknya itu pasti di akhir kalimat. In the end of the sentence. It is half past 9. Oke, boleh juga kita ganti nih. Kalau menit biasa 30 ya. So we change it. It is 30 past 9. It is 30 past 9. Boleh juga it is half past 9, atau ini kan 30 menit. Kita ganti half ini menggunakan 30. So it is 30 past 9. Next, quarter. Okay, quarter. This one. So jam 1 kurang seperempat. Ini salah nih, harusnya di sini quarter orangnya. Jam 1 kurang seperempat. How you mention it? Sama menitnya dulu. It is quarter to 1. Jam 1 kurang seperempat. Kalau biasanya ini jam 12 lewat 45 juga bisa. Ini kan harusnya jam 12 lewat 45. Boleh juga kita menggunakan it is 45 past 12. Tapi umumnya kalau dekat menitnya, usually people use to. Dan ini juga quarter. Berarti it is quarter to 1. Itu jam 1 kurang seperempat. Jangan jam 12 kurang seperempat ya. Ini jam 1. It is quarter to 1. To-nya kemana? Nah, ini yang banyak salah hampir kalau mengerjakan soal. To-nya ke 1. Ini mau ke 1. It is to mau ke 1. Next. Okay, we talking about 2. Jam 5 kurang 25. So, 5 kurang 10, 25. Ya kan? Kalau ini penggunakan to bagusnya ya nak. 10, 25, 25 menit. 5 kurang 25 menit. How we mention it? 25, 25. So, 25 nya dulu. It is menggunakan it is. So, we put after that 25 menitnya to it is 25 to apa? It is 25 to 5. Okay, good. It is 25 to 5. Understand? Next, 25. Jam 25 kurang jam 5 kurang 25. Okay, 25 to 5 this one. Next, now it is your turn. After this video, do you understand about the material that I given to you? Ingat, kalau melewat dan kurang, we use kalau lewat we use past, and kalau kurang we use to. Ingat, kalau kurang dan lewat minute, kita mau tell the time in English, minute first, after that the hours. Menitnya dulu baru jamnya. Remember. Tapi kalau tepat, jamnya dulu baru o'clock. Understand? Okay, here we go. There is a test in this video. So, push your answer in the Google Classroom column. Di kolom penugasan Google Classroom dikirim. Number 1. How you mention it? It is for number 1. Okay, how you mention it? Put number 1. Setelah itu jawab. Ini nomor 1. Soal nomor 1. Question number 1. It is 7:30. Okay. Sorry, ini bukan tes. Jadi nanti saya kasih tes setelah ini ya. Now you learn about this one dulu, baru nanti I will push the test. So it is 7:30. Okay, sorry. Next, how you mention it? Guess. Menitnya berapa nih? 10. Ini lewat. Jam 11 lewat 10. How you mention it? 11 lewat 10. Menitnya dulu kalau bahasa Inggris. Menitnya berapa nih? 10. So, it is 10 pas lewat 11. Okay, good. You did a great job. Next, how you mention it? Ada dua cara. 8 kurang seperempat atau 8 kurang 15. Kita pakai seperempat. How you mention it? Seperempatnya dulu baru 8. Seperempat jam 8 kurang seperempat. So, seperempat apa tadi? Quarter. It is quarter to 8. Oke, atau 15. Boleh juga 15 to 8. It is quarter to 8. Okay, great. Next, jam 1 tepat. It is so easy. It is 1 o'clock. Okay, next. Okay, how we mention it? 5 kurang 5. Ini kan 5. Ini kurang pastinya. Arah bagian sini, ini semua itu kurang. 5 kurang 5. How we mention it? 5 dulu. Minute first. It is 5 kurang apa? 2. 5. 5 kurang 5. It is 5. Minutnya dulu. It is 5. 5. 2. 5. Okay. Good. Next. 5 lewat seperempat. Lewat apa? Pas. Seperempat, quarter. So it is so easy. It is quarter past 5. Next. Good. Keren. Next. 20. Menitnya berapa? 9 lewat 20. How you mention it? 20 menit. So 20. Menitnya dulu. Pas itu lewat. So it is 20. 20. 9 lewat 20. Menitnya dulu ya kalau ini English. 20 past 9. Okay, good. Next. Jam 3 kurang 25. So how do you mention it? It is 25 kurangnya 25. Kalau pokok bagian di sini itu kurang 25. Oke, sudah dapat 25. Kurang 2. It is 25 to 3. Jam 3 kurang 25. Kurangnya kan ketiga. Mau ke jam ketiga, mau ke jam 3. So it is 25 to 3. Okay, good. Okay, I think that's all about our lessons today. In this day, you learn first about the times. After that, I will give to you the assignment that's related with telling the time. Okay, the first time you must master about how to tell a time. After that, I give you the assignments. Okay, see you on the next meeting, and don't forget to subscribe and like it. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, and see you.